All right, guys, back again. We've got Ken here. He's going to do a box of Heroes of Sport Iconic Heroes Chapter 1. We got T-Tam watching, bringing us some luck. The new Blowout TV mascot. All right, here we go. Not a hot box. All right, 253 of 300. All right, Ken, good luck, buddy. Position 1, nice. Robert De Niro, signed 11/14, taxi photo, PSA DNA cert. Good old Bobby De Niro. Position 2. Ooh, that's a nice looking piece there. We got a Bowman Sterling jersey, Mickey Mantle. Obviously a Hall of Famer. Position 3. Oh, wow. This is a good card, Puffy. Holy crap. 1939 play ball, Joe DiMaggio, BVG 7. That's a monster.
That's a good card.
Wow.
A 7.
That's crazy.
That's a good card.
Awesome hit right there, Ken. And position 4. Finish with... Oh, nice. We got 2 Magic Johnson autographs. One is in the Lakers uni, the other one Team USA. 16/20 PSA DNA cert. All right. Ken, congratulations, buddy. Let's take one more look at the DiMaggio.
I thought you were going to say Ted Williams when you said 39 play ball.
Very nice. All right, T-Tam, what'd you think? Sweet. Nub bump. Congrats.